नमामि शमीशान निर्वाणरूपं विभुं व्यापकं ब्रह्मवेदस्वरूपं निजं निर्गुणं निर्विकल्पं निरीयं चिदाकाशमाकाशवासं नतोऽहम्. It is Mahadev's favorite and it has innumerous health benefits. I strained the seeds for my kids and I did not throw away the seeds. I had kept them immersed in water, and that's also serving the purpose. If you are suffering with chronic ailments like irritable bowel syndrome, constipation or diarrhea, this works for both the cases. This is the only medicine, only fruit which works for both the cases, in constipation as well as in diarrhea also. You can control both the things with this. This is a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. If you keep it cut for a long time, it will turn brown because of its iron content. The iron will react with the oxygen of the environment and there will be a reaction between it to form an oxide. So when you are planning to drink it later, do not forget to add few drops of lemon juice in it, which will help in preventing the oxidation process. So drink this and stay healthy, stay happy. This will also help you in meeting your sweet tooth cravings because this is sweet, but I will request you not to add any sort of sugar or refined sugar. For the recipe, we require this bale. Before choosing the bale, do check for the size. This size bale is good, and before proceeding towards making the juice, check if the bale is good from inside. This is also called wood apple in English. Break it like this. It may be a little hard. So here is the pulp, which has innumerous health benefits. It's full of antioxidants. Use a hard spoon to take it out because it will take some toil, it will take some hard work to take it out. Take it out. This is a very nice piece of bale, very fresh. It's aromatic. It will fill your tummy and this can be eaten as early morning breakfast, before breakfast, pre-breakfast, after having some soaked nuts. It's advised not to have bale on your empty stomach. Then you can use power of your hands or that masher to mash it. It is full of seeds and fiber. This fiber is good for your gut, and as I told, this is a recipe for both the situations, both the chronic health conditions of constipation as well as loose motions or diarrhea. Add water little by little and keep mashing it so that all the juice, all of the fleshy bale gets mixed in the water. You need to wash your hands properly and you can see it's getting mixed. You need to take out the fiber like this. I do not believe in straining the fiber because the fiber contains so many benefits for you that you should take this juice with the fiber. Fiber is the main thing in it, and the more the dietary fiber, it will keep you fuller for longer and it will help you in your easing your constipation, relieving your constipation, and it also helps in the conditions like piles, fissure, fistula, any problem related to gut. This helps in your weight loss journey also. Please watch the video carefully how I am taking out the seeds, and most of them I have taken out. Now this is for me and my husband. Kids definitely won't love to have the fiber and the seeds in their mouth, so I am mixing a little bit of batasha. Batasha is also good for the gut. This is, I have powdered some batasha and I have added this in the juice. Bale sharbat, I will also add some lemon juice, as they will have it post their breakfast. So this is also good for the gut of their children, and this relieves them of their constipation. Here I will strain it through a sieve which has bigger holes so that not all the fiber comes out. This much fiber and seeds, we do not need to waste this much also. I'll keep it immersed in water so that it also releases its benefits into the water, and we take that water later after our lunch. Mix it well. This is the best juice, best thing for your kids. Please stop buying the packaged Tetra packs. They contain nothing but the flavors. Inculcate in your kids to have the good decisions about what they need to drink or eat. Encourage them to eat food made with your own hands at home. So this glass is for my daughter. She too is trained to have this, and after the lunch I had this watery bale. Thank you so much for watching, and I request you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe for such wonderful recipes which I create using my knowledge about food and nutrition.